Hello, I'm Hes Simmelink, working as a Principal Product Manager for Release and Deploy products at Digital.ai. In this video, I will demo the new integration framework for release. Integration tasks are the bread and butter for release orchestration. In the release process, you quickly add numerous integrations to connect, for example, to your CI system, ticketing systems, or deployment tools, and what more. Digital.ai Release provides numerous integrations out of the box, but also allows you to develop custom integrations. For this release, we've rethought the way how you build plugins and created a new SDK. With the new SDK, you can write task integrations in Python 3 using the latest language features and libraries. You can develop, test, and package integration tasks for release like any other Python project. For example, we have the project properties, requirements with .text, and let's add something. Let's add the Boto3 library. Let's see how that looks. So we add it here. We go to the command line, use pip install. There you go. We pull in Boto3. That allows us to communicate with AWS. Furthermore, we have tests. Now, the new SDK is based on container technology. The task you write will be wrapped in a container, and then release will execute it. Let me show you. If you want to build it, you can just do a simple command. It will create the Docker file, and it's ready for use in release. Now, within release itself, there's no difference between classic tasks and the new container task. They behave the same, and from the release perspective, they are the same. So here I can change the Jenkins task to a container build, and will be the same. You can mix and match traditional plugins with new container-based plugins. The new container-based task will run outside the main process of Digital.ai Release. The SDK provides a convenient Docker-based development environment. You just start it with Docker Compose up, and you get a pre-configured release instance to test drive the container tasks. In production environments, container-based tasks are run in a Kubernetes cluster. The remote runner component is an agent within Kubernetes that takes care of running the tasks and communicating with the main release server. The release server does not need to be in the Kubernetes cluster, and the cluster can run in an entirely different network. The remote runner agent will initiate communication with the main release server, so no inbound connections are required. Now, by using containers, we can use any language. We currently have the SDK for Python, but we'll have one for the Go language soon. The integration SDK gives you all the tools and resources you need to successfully build plugins for Digital.ai Release. Simply take the template project that we provide on GitHub as a start and develop your own custom integrations. We provide full documentation. For example, here we have the documentation for the release API, complete with source examples on how to use it. The Digital.ai Release Integration SDK is now in tech preview with release 23.1. We invite you to take it for a spin and give us feedback. For more information, check our product documentation and product webpage. And remember to connect to our community. Thank you very much.